And also, you do a lot of site monitoring in order to collect the data, and in order to collect the data from wearables and apps and things like that. Do you think AI will have impact on site monitoring in the near future?
Yeah, so the site monitoring is predominantly done by our clinical research associates, and they could go to the hospitals to facilitate the physicians with the research. So they are not collecting the data itself. That's really done by the hospitals. Mm-hmm. But I think that is a more traditional way of supporting the clinical trials. So going to the hospital, seeing whether they've done what they needed to do and enter the data correctly into the different data acquisition tools. And I think with the risk-based central monitoring approach, where we are applying AI, LLM, and these types of model on the data, there's no longer a need to go to those sites and look at individual data points. We can add more value to the data by looking at it centrally. Mm-hmm. And therefore, the role of the CRA will also change. Instead of going to the sites and being an auditor, they will go to the sites and support them and train them to execute the clinical trial processes in a better way. So going from a very manual process, we can go to a more tech-savvy and science process, so to say.